Hello everyone. Here we are going to discuss the experiment measurement of dielectric absorption ratio and polarization index of insulation by using Megger under the subject electrical installation maintenance and testing for third year electrical students. So here we are using the Megger. So first we will see how to connect Megger for measurement of insulation resistance. Now you can see here the Megger having scale from 0 to infinity. So first you have to check whether that Megger gives proper reading, whether that Megger is working or not. So you can see here it is a infinity scale and here it is 0 scale. So the unit for insulation resistance is mega ohm. So this is 1000 volt Megger. Now you have to check whether this Megger is working or not. So you can see here there are two terminals. One is connected to live wire, second is connected to body of instrument. Okay. So before going to take insulation resistance, first check whether that Megger is working or not. So for that purpose you have to connect the red wire to the black wire. So short red wire to black wire, and with the help of handle you have to rotate the motor of Megger. So like this you have to rotate the handle of Megger and check it. It shows the value which is near to 0. It means that Megger is working. Okay. Now you have to measure the insulation resistance of this machine. So one is live wire, second is connected to body of this machine. So live wire is connected to any one terminal. Please make sure that the machine is not connected to supply. It should be on switch off condition. So the neutral that is black wire is connected to body of machine and the phase wire is connected to any one terminal. Like this. Now rotate the handle. Now that insulation resistance closer to infinity means what? That terminal is not damaged. It shows insulation resistance. Similarly, you can test for second terminal also and rotate the handle. It shows the insulation resistance near to infinity. So that terminal is also working. Check for third one. Also it shows the insulation resistance near to infinity. So it means that terminal is also working. So like this you can measure the insulation resistance with the help of Megger. Now in this experiment our target is to measure dielectric absorption ratio by using Megger. So the insulation resistance we can measure with the help of Megger. Now here for dielectric absorption ratio you have to measure the insulation resistance at regular interval of 30 minutes and you have to record that reading. So here the dielectric absorption ratio is nothing but the 60th second reading of Megger to the 30th second reading of Megger. So if this ratio is below 1.25, it indicates the poor insulation and the apparatus needs to be repaired. So from this you have to plot the graph, and on x-axis you have to take the time, whereas on y-axis you have to take Megger reading, that is insulation resistance in mega ohm. Now After taking reading, after plotting graph, we have some characteristics. Now here you can see graph A, it shows linear steady increase, whereas curve B shows it is horizontal line, it is a constant. So when we have steady increase graph as shown in figure A, it indicates the insulation is clean and it is dry. If we have graph as shown in B, that is steady line or constant line, it indicates that the insulation is dirty, moist. It means that the insulation should be clean and dried. So there will be cleaning of that insulation material should be needed. So this is the conclusion from this dielectric absorption test by using hand-driven Mager. Similarly, for polarization index test, you can also use Mager. So polarization index, it is nothing but it is a ratio of insulation resistance measured by Mager after 10 minutes divided by insulation resistance measured by Mager after 1 unit. So after taking this ratio, if that value is greater than 1.5, then it indicates class A insulation. The value of polarization index should be greater than 1.5 for class A insulation, whereas for class B insulation, this polarization index should be greater than 2. So like this, we can predict the life of insulation from this test. So here we can measure dielectric absorption ratio as well as polarization index of insulation by using Mager. Now from polarization index, text from the reading, you have to plot graph. On x-axis, you have to consider time in minute. On y-axis, you have to consider the insulation resistance in mega ohm, which is measured with the help of Mager. So here you can see the result. You can test the insulation resistance by using 500 volt Mager. Now in our practical, we consider 1000 volt Mager. So take the reading, plot the characteristics. Now you can see if there is widespread of curve, which indicates the presence of moisture. Like this, you can predict the life of insulation resistance. So this is all about this experiment. Thank you for watching this video.